Baebol, hemi one different book altogether. I got full up different storyan is stap lahem, but every storyan is stap poen lo Jesus no more. God he make him one good for the world, and he put him Adam more evil lahem, more tufala is stap friend good with him. But tufala he no obey lo God, sin more dead he come lo world. Now God he judge him all man, and he send him one big flow water, but him he tell him lo Noah, plus make him one boat, plus save him family plus him. Now one line plus Noah, and me Abraham. God he make him one promise with him. Abraham say by him he bless him every man the world. More by him he give him one nice flat ground lo all man Israel. More by he got plenty pickaninny all same all star lo sky. He got one time where all man Israel he no got kakai. Ale God he use him Joseph, blo take him all geta he go lo Egypt. Be plenty he pass. Now all man Israel all he come slave lo Egypt. Lo time ya God he put him up Moses plus save him all line bla him. Blo all he go cast him nice flat ground where him he promised first time. Time all he come out lo Egypt, him he give him law lo all geta. Mo he teach him all geta blo make him one house tapolen, blo all he make him sacrifice blo carry out sin blo all geta lo him. The all man Israel, all he no obey lo God lo ground where God he give him lo all geta. All he bow down lo all giaman God, but all he no want them God he king lo all geta. All he want them one nalfla man he boss lo all geta. Ale God he let him, he give him king lo all geta. One lo all geta king ya, him he King David. After picking him blood David, Solomon, he make him one good flat temple block God. Pay him he make him sin. Make him say line blo Israel he broke two piece. Long hard time ya, some prophet always stop talk about Messiah, whereby he come lo world. All the time say Messiah ya, but he come lo make him all man, all he come friend with him God back again. Now God he punish him all people blo him, but all he stop think about yet say Messiah ya, but he come lo save him all geta. After, God he take him all man Israel, all he come back again lo promised ground. All he straight in Bigfala Stori, blood Jerusalem, all he make him temple back again. Molo time ya, Prophet Malachi, he stop tell him lo orgeta say Messiah, he stop come now. But after he got 400 year, where he no got one prophet block God, he talk lo orgeta. God he stop quiet no more. Pero straight time, one small pickaninny he born. Where hemi God no more. Name blo him Jesus. Jesus here now, hemi Messiah, where all this stuff wait la him. Hemi no make him one sin nothing. Hemi soemaot road blo go back lo God. Some man only believe lo Jesus, but plenty only no want him. Only arrest him or kill him dead. But only sake from where in a long time, hemi rise up. And me life back again. And me win him fast and blooded. And make him sin in no more got power. You may tell him say full Bible is the point Lord Jesus. But you may stop telling him all same from one him. You look. Suppose you read him good Bible. But you look all shadow Lord Jesus. God he use him big flood boat here plus save him Noah. Story and is the point lot time where you miss have stop good Lord Jesus. After God he promised lo Abraham but he bless him all man lo world. Yes, God he make him all same Lord Jesus no more. Or sacrifice to he point Lord Jesus. Jesus no more and become sacrifice blo every sin blo you me. Yes, Lord Bible he got full up story where all he make him you me think about Jesus. Bigfala Stori and in finish lo place here. All friend lo Jesus only taken good news here, bla hemi go all every place lo world. All believer all Saint Peter, mo Paul only tell him out good news here, lo where place only walk about la him. All the same fasten ya. You me must tell him out Jesus where place you me walk about la him. Go cast him time and me come back, plus straight him every something. It true ya. Baebol and me full up lo all good for the story on. Pe every storyan I poen lo Jisas no mo. Hemi one true story. Hemi story blo Jisas no mo.